We're on a 2007 Jeep Rubicon Edition. The check engine light is on. Got my trusty dusty launch C-Reader Professional CRP 123. Love this thing. I've had it for a while. Let's see what's going on with this Jeep. So let me do this. Plug it in. OBD 2 connector. Real simple to get to. Let's plug that sucker in. Okay. Now you don't have to start the vehicle for this. You just got to put it to the accessory position. Is it going to stop beeping, or should I get in the car? Okay, I guess it wouldn't shut up. This door was closed. DTCs in this ECU is 1. Read codes. Evap emission system leak detected. Very small leak. P0456. P0456 pending. Most likely. What you call it? It's the fuel cap. I wonder if they have an aftermarket fuel cap on this thing or not. Doesn't appear to be a aftermarket fuel cap. This O-ring seems intact. Sometimes this is damaged, like the metal is dented or something. That doesn't seem. Don't feel any like obvious signs of damage. O-ring looks pretty good, but I'll replace this. Clear the code and see if it comes back. Got the old one off. Just pulled it out. Didn't need any special tools. Just yanked it right out. Came right off. I mean, the tether came right out, and then just unscrewed it. Just ran over to my local O'Reilly Auto Parts, picked up this Motorrad fuel cap, 10838T, for those of you who cannot read. But let's see, let's give it a week, come back, and I'll let you know if it fixed the problem or not.